Does antivirus really slow down your computer? Let's find out. Every application you run, it takes CPU, memory, disk, network and GPU. And same thing for any antivirus application. How much resources the antivirus take? Well, it depends on which antivirus you are using and how well optimized it is. Also, antivirus always running on the background and scanning things like what you are downloading and etc. So, it definitely take effect on your computer and slow down your computer overall performance, especially if you have the low-end PC. And if you are using a laptop, then not only it just take resources, also take laptop battery power. Here is the thing, if you use your computer just for simple tasks like watching video, playing game, make video call, etc. and you usually don't visit any untrusted website or torrenting, or you don't have that much sensitive credential on your computer, then you don't have to use any third-party antivirus software because Windows and Mac both have pre-installed antivirus software and it's really good. Of course, not the best, but it does a good job. Guys, there is nothing 100% secure and most of the time our sensitive information got stolen for our own mistake. So, always remember where are you clicking, and most importantly, avoid downloading any application from untrusted source or any random mail.